What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to lock the shape object in Microsoft PowerPoint. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you would like to share your files or this presentation files, however, if you gonna make sure that every object or shape in it is not movable, so you need to the specific way to do it. Well guys, if you create the presentation file and create the shape with a regular way, well, this object still can be movable or movable like this guys. And how to solve this problem? So basically, for the new version of the Microsoft PowerPoint has the option named locked, which is if you give the right click of this object, they will usually the locked option into this section guys. However, here I'm using the old version of the Microsoft PowerPoint, but don't worry because the tips and trick is still exists. Well guys, I will start to remove this object, for example, and all you gotta do is go to this view and click this slide master. And for example, if you would like to add the object up here, so I will go to this insert and click shape. For example, I will create the rectangle up here, for example this one, and you can also add the text into this shape. Give the right click and click this edit text guys. Now it is ready to put the text up here, for example lorem ipsum, like this. And it's time to close the slide master, so you need to go to this slide master and close the master view. Click this and it will direct you into the regular page to do the editing into your PowerPoint slide. And you'll see here, if I click this object, I totally cannot guys, because this object is now being locked guys. Only this one that can be moved or movable, like this. And if you'd like to do the editing or remove this object, don't worry because you can go back to the slide master whenever you want. Click this view again and click this slide master and select this object and give the delete. There you go. You can easily remove and also add the locked shape object very easy. So that's all guys. Don't forget to try this slide master into your PowerPoint, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.